Hi, I'm Charlotte and today we have a pressure fitted safety gate to have a look at. We get a lot of questions when people receive their gates as to why there is a gap between the gate and the locking mechanism. So today we've got a how-to video to show you exactly why and how to fit your pressure fitted gate. So once you have received your gate, you will notice that the gate is held together with two cable ties, one at the top and one at the bottom. Once you have read your instructions, you know exactly what you're doing and how you're going to fit your gate and also where you're going to fit your gate, you need to pop it into the opening and you at that point will then cut the cable ties. Once you've popped your gate into the opening that you wish to install it, you'll need to cut the cable tie in order for the gate to expand, and you will then apply the pressure, just like so. Once you have popped your pressure fitted gate into the opening of your choice and cut the cable ties, you'll notice that there is still a gap between the gate and the locking mechanism. In order to close the gap up, you'll need to adjust the pressure fitted screws. Just by turning the screws, you'll notice that the gate will start to move closer together and eventually the lock and the gate will join. If you do happen to remove the cable ties before you have put your gate into its opening, it's not a problem. You will still be able to fit your gate. There is nothing wrong with it. It will just go in as it would if you didn't remove them, and you'll be able to adjust the pressure fitted screws to the width that you need.